Blender, a name synonymous with creativity and innovation in the world of 3D design and animation. It's powerful, versatile, and completely free. But here's the big question. If Blender costs nothing to download or use, how does it generate income to sustain itself? In today's video, we're diving deep into the unique and inspiring financial model of Blender and how it has become one of the most successful open-source projects in the world. To understand Blender's income strategy, we first need to explore what makes it so unique. Blender is open-source software. Unlike traditional programs that charge a licensing fee, Blender's source code is open to anyone, completely free. You can download it, modify it, or even use it commercially without paying a dime. This freedom has made Blender a favorite among hobbyists, professionals, and even big-name studios. But with no upfront cost, how does Blender manage to stay afloat? Enter the Blender Foundation, a non-profit organization founded by Tun Rusendahl in 2002. The foundation not only oversees Blender's development but also its financial health. And here's where things get fascinating. The way Blender sustains itself is a testament to the power of community and strategic partnerships. Blender's most significant source of income comes from its development fund. Individuals and companies contribute money to this fund, which directly supports the developers working on Blender's features and improvements. Contributors range from hobbyists donating a few dollars a month to corporate giants like Microsoft, Nvidia, and Epic Games, who contribute thousands. In return, donors, especially at the corporate level, receive recognition, early insights into development, and the satisfaction of supporting a tool that powers countless creative projects worldwide. Blender also thrives on corporate sponsorships and grants. Companies benefit from investing in Blender by ensuring it supports their hardware or software ecosystems. For instance, AMD and Nvidia contribute to ensure Blender runs smoothly on their graphics cards, while Epic Games donated $1.2 million to support open-source initiatives. Blender Cloud is another crucial revenue source. For a small monthly fee, subscribers gain access to premium resources like textures, models, tutorials, and even cloud-based rendering. This service is a favorite among studios and professionals looking to streamline their workflows. To further support the community, Blender offers professional training and certifications. These programs, while paid, provide users with in-depth knowledge and official recognition, making them more competitive in the job market. From branded merchandise to international events like the Blender Conference, these initiatives bring the community together while adding to Blender's revenue. Blender's model works because of two core principles: transparency and community. By being open source, Blender invites users to not only use the software but to become part of its evolution. This approach builds trust and fosters a passionate global community that actively supports its growth. Unlike traditional software companies that rely solely on licensing, Blender's multi-channel approach ensures it isn't overly dependent on one source of income. Its community-driven model creates a sustainable cycle where users give back, ensuring its longevity. However, no model is without challenges. Blender must balance its open-source nature with the demands of corporate sponsors. Over-reliance on large donors could risk shifting its focus away from individual users. Yet, Blender's leadership has shown remarkable foresight in navigating these challenges. By continuously innovating and staying true to its mission of providing free, world-class 3D tools, Blender has laid out a roadmap for even greater success in the years to come. Blender isn't just a tool, it's a movement. It's proof that open-source projects can rival, and even surpass, commercial software in quality and impact. By relying on community support and innovative funding strategies, Blender is shaping the future of creativity and empowering millions of artists worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Blender's financial world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Together, let's celebrate the incredible potential of open source creativity. See you in the next video.